mathematics about quartile. So here is our first example. Consider a set of exam scores. So a group of students from New Ormoc City National High School got a score of 55, 67, 72, 85, and so on. And now, the first step in solving the quartile or decile or the other topics, we have to rearrange them in ascending order. But since it is already arranged in ascending order, then we can do the next step. So for finding the quartile, this is the formula. So first we have to find the location. So the formula for the location is L equals 1 over 4 times N. N, which is the number of scores in the given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Now we have our N. So L equals 1 over 4. And since we are looking for the first quartile, we have to put quartile 1. First quartile, 1 over 4. And if we were to look for the second quartile, or quartile 2, it should be 2 over 4. So 1 over 4 times 9. L equals, so 1 times, rewrite 9 over, in fraction form, 9 over 1. So 9 times 1, that's 9. 4 times 1, that's 4. So 9 divided by 4 give us 2.25, which gives 9 divided by 4 gives us a decimal, which is 2.25. So since we got a decimal for our location, and the number after the decimal is smaller, less than 5, then we just make it 2. And if it was larger than 5, then ato na lang ni idiretso og 3 kay kuan man ato man ni round off. So now, ang ato location is 2. Now, since location man atong gipangitaw niya, 2 ang location, so 55, 67, 1, 2. So ang ato first quartile, our first quartile will be 67. So quartile 1 is equals to 67. So after quartile, we're gonna learn about decile. So this is the formula. D2, this is location, okay? So if mahibong mo, is equals to 2 over 10 times N. So same question, but we're gonna use decile. So, diba, we're gonna count kung pila ka buok ang mga set of exam scores. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that is our N. Let's write it down. Divided by 10 is 0.2 times 9 is 1.8. You round this off. This 1 will turn into 2. Since 8 this is above 5, so we're gonna round off 1 into 2. Since 2 is the location, we're gonna count 1 to 2. So 1, 2, 67. So we're gonna write it down. D2 equals X2 equals 67. And that is how you find the decile.
Now let's go to percentile. First, we're gonna find the location to find our P25. So let's start with, let's divide 25 over 100. And this it's equals to 0.25 since the number of set is equals to 9. Let's times it with 9. 0.25 times 9 is equals to 2.25. Same as the quartile one that we solved a while ago. Since 2 is smaller and not greater than 5 or higher than 5, we can add this to method 2, 3. So let's just copy it and round off. Since 2 is the location, let's count 1 and 2. Since it's not di na siya decimal, since it's not since it's decimal, not whole number, directional tayo ihapon 1, 2. So the 325 is 67.
Hey guys, do you think these lessons can be applied into our real life situations? Yes. For example, in a classroom, quartiles can help teachers analyze the distribution of students' scores. For example, if the first quartile is significantly lower than the median, the teacher may realize that a portion of students need extra help or intervention. So, this is the explanation. Quartile divides a data set into 4 equal parts, helping us understand the spread and distribution of data. The first quartile represents the 25% lowest values. The second quartile is the median, and the third quartile represents the 75% mark. Quartiles are useful for identifying patterns in data, outliers, and trends.
And that's all. Thank you.